Stay calm. Follow these instructions. Make sure emergency services are called now. Begin by exposing patient's bare chest. Remove or cut clothing if needed. The white square package from lid of AED. Peel one of the white pads completely from blue plastic. Begin pulling from the tab. Make sure pad connector is plugged into AED. Peel one of the white pads completely from blue plastic. Begin pulling from the tabbed corner. Firmly place the pad without the blue plastic on patient's bare chest, exactly as shown on pads. This pad can be placed on either of the two locations as shown on pads. Next, peel second white pad from the blue.
Same. Battery. Yeah, one more last card.